HORSETAIL Falls, little lunchtime thing. All got our snacks. Yum, got some baguette, some cheese. Christian's doing something with his camera. There's snow over there. Yeah, a lot going on.
Great day.
Yep. Yep. What's up, guys? Just made it to Avalanche Lake with my friends today, Christian, Skylar, just chilling. Actually woke up this morning, thought I went to work, but I didn't have to, so I went for a hike instead, so winning. What's up, Christian? What's up, Skylar? Okay. So, what things do you like? Like, what drives you to get outdoors?
You know, honestly, it's the stuff that drives me away from the city, that drives me into the outdoors. Mostly, I think, for the good memories and stuff. I really enjoy. I grew up camping, so why not continue it? And photography, getting some bangers, as well as just spending time with friends, is honestly what drives me outdoors right now.
Solid.
Yeah.
Relatable. All right, how about you?
For me, you know, I grew up outside, and being outside has always been, you know, it's always connected with me deeply, you know, being near the land, and being able to correspond that with outdoor adventure and photography has become a pretty prominent practice for me. It's just a place where I can always go and find peace and solitude and reconnect.
I like it. Also, this North Face jacket is bomb. You can tell it's been through a lot, like a couple little patches there. That's how this should be.
Duct tape fixes everything.
The puffy life.
Dirtbag life.
Well said.